Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store
C5
C3
Knight F6
5
Knight D5
Knight F3
Knight C6
Bishop C store
E6
D store
C captures on D4
C captures on D store
D6
castles kingside
Bishop E7
Queen A2
Castles kingside
Knight C3
Knight captures on C3
B captures on C3
D captures on E5
D captures on A5
Queen A5
Bishop D2
B6
A store
Queen C5
Bishop A3
Queen A5
Bishop B5
Bishop B7
Queen B2
A6
Bishop captures on C6
Bishop captures on C6
Queen captures on B6
Queen captures on B6
Bishop captures on B6
Rook FC8
Bishop D store
Rook A B8
Rook F D1
H6
Knight D2
Bishop D5
Rook DB1
Bishop G5
Knight F1
Bishop C6.
A5.
Rook captures on B1.
Rook captures on B1.
Bishop B5.
Knight D3.
Bishop D8.
Rook A1.
Bishop D3.
F3.
Rook B8.
Rook D1.
Bishop C2.
Rook D2.
Bishop G6.
Bishop B6.
Bishop captures on B6. Check.
A captures on B6.
Rook captures on B6.
Rook D8. Check.
King H7.
King F2.
A5.
Rook A8.
Rook B2. Check.
King A3.
Rook captures on G2.
C store.
Rook C2.
King D store.
Rook captures on H2.
C5.
Rook D2. Check.
King C store.
Rook C2. Check.
King B5.
H5.
Rook captures on A5.
H4.
Knight H1.
Bishop H5.
Rook A3.
Rook H2.
C6.
Rook captures on H1.
Rook C3.
Rook B1. Check.
King C5.
H3.
Rook C2.
Bishop captures on f3.
c7.
Bishop b7.
Well, c3.
Rook h1.
King d6.
Bishop c8.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.